If you have an 09 to 18 Ram and you want to upgrade your taillights to something more exciting, Morimoto XP taillights are now available for you. I'm going to show you guys the features and what they look like compared to stock. These are unbeatably bright. The brake light, turn signal, and parking lights thanks to the 4X 3D LED optics. The Morimoto Gen 2 XP taillights are going to fit your 09 to 18 Ram. These are OE LED 100% plug-and-play lights. It doesn't matter if you have the LED or incandescent taillights. This also can fit every single spec any year between 09 to 18 and be completely plug-and-play. The new XPs are a category killer, making other options for your 09 to 18 Ram taillights no longer relevant. Now that I gave you guys all the information, I'm going to get into the nitty-gritty and show you how to install these. First, let's start with dropping the tailgate. Very easy install. There's only 2 bolts holding this taillight in. All you're going to need is an electric ratchet or ratchet of your choice and a T25 Torx bit. Let's get started. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull the taillight out and we're going to have to unplug the connectors. If you ordered our backup light boost bar, I'm going to show you guys how to run the wire up and get that installed first. So here we have your Morimoto backup light boost bar, and it comes with a universal wiring kit to make this more plug and play. But because you have the Morimoto Gen 2 XP taillights, you're not going to need this. So if you do want to install the Morimoto backup light boost bar, very simple. All you have to do is take off these 2 screws, remove your license plate, and then grab your boost bar and we're going to mock it up to see where the wiring would go. Grab some kind of tool like a Sharpie or maybe even a punch tool to mark where the hole would be. Drill a 1/4 inch hole, and once that's complete, all you have to do is feed the wire straight through. Once you get to the end, there is a grommet that will protect the wiring so it doesn't chafe. Go ahead and plug that in. Then grab your license plate and just screw the 2 bolts back in. So let's drop the tailgate. We're going to grab the taillight, plug in the wire, and continue on. Once that's connected, we're going to move back towards the OEM plug and get that plugged in as well. Once you hear that click, it's locked in, and then slide your safety back over. Because we do things right here at Morimoto, I'm actually going to find a secure place to zip tie this excess wire to make sure it doesn't get snagged onto anything on the highway. Once you secured the excess wire, we're going to grab the taillight and slide this in carefully. Make sure you don't smack these 2 clips and break them. Put your 2 screws back in and let's finish up this install. Please don't over torque these, you can break it, but now we're going to move on to the other side. Same 2 bolts you need to take off your OEM housing, then we're going to replace it with the Gen 2 Morimoto XP taillight. Plug it in and that's it. We don't have to install any wiring for the boost bar on that side. Before we call the install complete, grab a friend so you can make sure that all the features are functional. And to complete the look, we can get rid of those ugly incandescent lights and replace them with the brand new Morimoto LED license plate light. And if you want to see what more we offer for your vehicle, make sure to go to morimotohid.com, click your year, make, and model, and you'll see everything there.